My name is Patrick Monahan, and I sing in a band called Train. And my new friend, Bradis, has sent me a video of what the great city of Glenties is doing to remember their loved ones. I just want to say that they're all shining down on you and all of us, and hope you have a Merry Christmas and a beautiful holiday and a Happy New Year.
Twas the weeks before Christmas, and all down the street excitement was growing on the faces you'd meet. A song from old crooners, a wink from the garrus, a smile from our Father, a wave for the world. For out of the darkness, on a cold winter's night, a gathering started, a wonderful sight. They'd all come together with great joy and cheer to light up their Yuletide for another year. But this year was special, for out of the glow, the memory of dear ones was a part of the show. Each light a reminder of those loved but gone, yet now watching over from each dusk till dawn. So if you're close to Glenties, come join our delight. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.